Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B. Welcome to another episode where the truth lives here. On this episode, I'm going to talk about 4 natural nutrients that can help you with the thinning of your hairline. So, with that said, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you on the other side. Let's go. Now, before we jump into these nutrients, let's talk about 2 things that's contributing to your hair loss. 1, you have high amount of testosterone that's converted into DHT by way of an enzyme, this enzyme called 5A reductase, okay? The second way, as well as you have high androgens, which is a hormone. So this high androgens, high testosterone converted in DHT will cause you to lose your hair. Now, how can we inhibit this fella right here? 5A reductase, right? So it doesn't convert into DHT, which in the DHT is going to be causing you to lose your hair. Well, one of the ways that we can do it is getting inhibitors in, and these are some natural inhibitors that I'm going to go through. 1, zinc. Zinc is really great for the immune system. Specifically, it also is great for like alopecia because typically hair loss is systematic. So you want to get you some zinc in, of course, add the vitamin C and vitamin D with it. But zinc is going to be great. And then also zinc is responsible for 300 enzymes in the body. The second nutrient we want to look at is omega-3s, but I want to also add omega-6s, which is a fatty acid. So I would recommend taking these 2 together, along with the B2. So if you're able to take these inhibitors, and I would let's throw in B6. All right, so let's throw that in as well. So we got zinc, omega-3, 3 and 6, B2, and number 4, B6. And a lot of times, a lot of this stuff is it's not readily in the food. It's not readily in the soil. So eat, yes, but also I would recommend, if you can, supplement. Now, supplementation, again, it's not a meal replacement. It's to supplement and to fill in your nutritional gaps. So again, if you can get this by way of your food along with supplementing, then you're in great hands. Another way that I was able to lower my DHT with my hair loss as well as my androgen in terms of with me was I did what they call intermittent fasting. And so that's something that I did along with making sure that I had the nutrients and making sure that I detox, sleep, and several other things. You guys can go watch my video where I talk about detoxing, water, sleeping, and things of that nature more in depth. But get your nutrients in. If you want to lower your androgens, lower your hormones to help stabilize them, then intermittent fasting is a really great way to bring that insulin down, so you're not insulin resistant, thyroid resistant, which can cause a problem. Because once you throw your hormones off, which is the communicator to your cells and tissues and to your hair as far as to grow and things of that nature, then everything is being thrown off. So again, get your nutrients in, and also do intermittent fasting, and comment below, let me know how it worked, okay? Well, this is your boy B, the beard and hair science guy, and I see you guys on the next episode. As always, we out.